Hello and welcome to NORAD4U.com. Using the CelloEye 24GS as a RF door alarm that helps me keep my house RF free even when having visitors. Someone is knocking on my front door. The CelloEye 24GS that is glued to the front door alerts me that her phone is still radiating. Hi, your phone is still radiating. Please turn it off and come back. She is now moving away from the door, but the phone is still radiating. The CelloEye 24GS is still reacting to the radiation.
No?
Turn it off and come back. The CelloEye 24GS is now idle. The phone is not radiating anymore. Let's see if it's completely off. I am now using the CelloEye that I have in my pocket to make sure that the phone is off. Let's wait for a second to see if it's not bursting once in a while. Okay, it's off. Please come in. I have several CelloEye detectors in my house. On the windows facing the yard, I have CelloEye 24G without sound. And on the yard door, I have a CelloEye 24GS, which is 10 times more sensitive than the one I have on the front door. Let's see how they work. First sign of alert, the CelloEye on the window blinks. The 10 times more sensitive CelloEye 24GS, which is glued to the glass door, is now also blinking and beeping. Please go back, turn off the cell phone and please come back again. Please note, my visitor is not a heavy user, so our phone does not radiate all the time. When it does, the CelloEye detectors alerts about it. Let's see if it's completely off. Now I am using the CelloEye that I have in my pocket to make sure that the phone is off. Very good, thank you. Welcome. You can buy one of these babies on my store website, 4hsbyhs.com. If you want to buy several of these babies, there's a special page on my store website with combinations and a discount. Please see links below on the description of this video. Minimize the use of smartphones and wireless devices before the use will minimize you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time.